Hello, hello. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do one variable stats in your calculators. This is going to help you determine your 5-number summary, standard deviation, etc. So specifically today we're going to be talking about the nspire. So first of all, you want to turn it on. So hold the on button. And then what you're going to want to do is go to a new document. I already have one here, so it asks if, sorry, it's hard to get the lighting right. It's asking if I want to save it. I'm going to go over and hit no, enter. Right. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go down to lists and spreadsheets, which is number 4, or you can press the number 4, and we'll see you get a table. First thing you want to do is go up to A and name your table, so I'll just call it A using the keyboard down here. Hit enter, and then you just want to go down. You don't want anything to appear in the equal button. If you make the mistake of hitting enter, you'll see an A and an equal sign comes up. You can just delete that and use the down arrow to get to your first row. And then what you're going to want to do is, starting with box 1, enter your data values. So I'm going to use an example we did the other day in class. So 5, enter, 7, enter, 10. I'm going to enter all of my data. One, two, three. Okay, so actually I think I missed something. I'm actually using my data from the other day. Oh, whatever. Okay, so once you have all your data entered, and hopefully you did it correctly, what you're going to do now is you're going to press the menu button. Go down to Statistics, which is again number 4, and then Stat Calculations, and we want one variable statistics. For number of lists, we're just going to keep it as 1. Here we're just going to hit enter again, and if you go, sometimes it's higher up. When we go up, we'll see we get our max, our third quartile, our median, our first quartile, our minimum, the number of entries, standard deviations, mean, etc. So that is, you do that in an nspire calculator.